Hey peeps, Jelly Bean Gingerbread, big up on yourself. I try to get this right because I use the back part of the camera. Anyway, yeah, me not the same shirt I make a vlog with the other day. Yeah, people, clothes off repeat. I hear clothes, I hear money buy. Anyway, stop that. Yeah. So this vlog is pretty much just to say thanks to everyone that actually, like my vlogs, keep watching the vlogs, people asking for them. The momentum is, picking up, slowly but surely. I really appreciate that. I'm still trying to work on the quality of the vlogs so you guys can, have a better experience while watching my vlogs, and enjoying them. I'm still going to be myself and everything, but what I really want for you guys to do or help me do is to get more subscribers, and not only subscribers but people that actually like vlogs and interested in just random people, because I'm not a celebrity, far from a celebrity, but yeah, get people, you know each of my subscribers, I'm asking you to get somebody to subscribe that actually watch vlogs, and if they can get somebody else to subscribe that watch vlogs, and like what I do, I would really, really appreciate that. So this is, to help a ghetto youth, help a ghetto youth strive, support the ghetto youth. But yeah, thanks again, thanks a million. People give me the feedback them on the videos. I really, really appreciate them. Good or bad, say something. Throw the comment in. Hey Mark, I like this. Anything at all, Mark, and if you work on this, throw it in the comment. Help me to make the vlogs better so you can enjoy them more. So man, really hurt me right now. I just come from the gym. Trust me, I try for put in the work. So when I have the big belly and things like that. Well, yeah, people. I'm hoping the day I go good. Keep safe, people. Drive good, ride good, walk good. Watch out when they're on the road. Help a brother and a sister. Take care of yourself. Take care of the family. Remember, pray each day. Give God thanks for everything you want to have and thing. Later, people. Me I run now. I'm gone.